Make sure the automated feeders are calibrated for the next cycle.
Already done, Supervisor. The new group is ready for milking.
Keep them moving slowly to the right. Come on, girls, easy now.
She's clear on the left.
Okay, I'll take the right side.
We're showing a slight dip in consumption here. I see it. Adjusting the feed mix.
Check the flow rate on line 3. It looks a little high.
Adjusting now. Readings are stable.
Check the flow rate on line 3. The pressure seems slightly elevated. It's within tolerance, but I'll monitor the temperature curve. The conductivity levels are slightly elevated on line 4.
Noted. I'll recalibrate the sensor.
Make sure the seals are tight on that batch.
Yes, checking now.
Forklift 3. Bring that pallet to bay 7. Confirm load stability.
Ulper's shipment A3 confirmed. Seals are intact, clearance looks good. All right, driver, you are clear to proceed. Is that the shipment for Shanghai?
Yes, it just cleared customs.
Watch the pallet jack coming through. Okay, next row coming down. Stack those on the left side. Here you go, sir. Is there anything else I can help you find today?
No, thank you. That's everything.
All right, who's next for the milk?
Me, please, Daddy.
Me too. Pour it here.
Here you go, son. Eat up.
Oh, those look delicious. Did you use the new mix?
Yes, Mom. They're the best yet. And pass the milk, please.